Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK. We're here at 10208 West Florisant. Guy was out here yesterday and running cable. He had a hard spot at 60 feet. He ended up running 120 feet. Couldn't get it open. I thought he might have needed more cable. But we came out here. We found some cleanouts out in the back out there. Found out that it was backed up from a clean out on the concrete pad on the back door going towards the building here. So it was about 60 feet out there. This is 50 feet. Here we are. We're pushed out from the basement or from the stack here in the bathroom. And this is where it looks like 4-inch cast going right into the clay pipe there, the 6-inch clay pipe. And we're going to go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. We did get this to open up. Ended up being a bunch of wipes and tampons in there. Just some heavy scaling buildup in this cast iron. And it's been backed up for a little while, so it's kind of dark in there. We ran some water, and it is draining. So here we are at dive. This line's diving down and diving back over to make depth for the trap out there. Here we are. We got some PVC. So right here, this is all PVC. This is where we're at the top of the dive here. We got a dive and a turn. It's all PVC here, and it turns into cast iron. So I believe everything was hanging up in that cast iron and loading up the line. We got a line cut in at the top there. I believe that's what's giving them all their problems, is that cast iron right there. And them dives, everything's hitting them dives, and then the waste is getting left behind, and the water's outrunning the waste. And then over time, filling up that cast iron full of waste. So, we recommend to repair that cast iron there, or auger it out every so often, keep it flowing. You're unable to get it to run towards the building from out back, from the clean out back from the riser pipe, because it sweeps over, so you can't see the bottom to where you can come in and go towards the building. So that's why we have to come in here to the bathroom and now run it out. See, all this PVC here is good. We got another turn, and a Y right there, and then yep, here we are at the bottom of the stack here. So, yep, we're here in this bathroom. So, yep. And then I believe that cast iron's gonna be back out there by the back doors. So, alrighty, thank you.